Welcome to our LUT photo style video. Let's take a look at how we can use the LUT programs, which are the same for both videos and photos, to create a photo style, save it, and everything we can do with it. To do so, I'll load an image and maximize the program interface. We're now in the photo program. As I said, it works the same way for photos and videos. And if we want to create a photo style, first we take a look at the photo style module here to the right and click on the green button Create Photo Style. A file dialog window opens. Here we can now select the image we want the program to use to create the LUT photo style. And I'll select the first image here and open everything. The program loads it and automatically generates a photo style using this LUT image. And what does that mean? That means the program analyzes the LUT image's brightness and contrast, the distribution of light information within the histogram, and the distribution of the color information. It is calculated into what is called an LUT cube and transferred to a photo or video. We can already see that here in the middle. We can see the original image. I'll press the right mouse button, and here is the image calculated with the transferred LUT photo style here. The photos now have a more similar style, and now you can manipulate the photo style that you created. For this purpose, we have the basic settings. You can use them to do things like change the brightness again. Here I'd reduce it a bit, increase the contrast a little, and maybe take out a bit of color. I personally think the image is a little yellow, but that's a matter of taste. The professional versions of the products also give the option of manipulating the balance and the area protection function. And what does the balance mean here? Let's take the cyan red slider and increase this value slightly. That makes the image redder, so this is the classic color balance. And maybe we'll add a little yellow to create a very warm and vibrant look. You can reset the area here at any time and manipulate the image in other manners, such as by performing a white correction, which means adding white to the image. You can also remove white from the image if you do so in the negative range. Alternatively, you can perform a black correction to the image by adding or removing black. This is the classic black and white correction. I'll intensify it a bit here so we have a bit more contrast. And if you're working with portraits, as is the case here, it would be a good idea to take the skin tones out of the calculation. That can keep the color of the face more natural. And you'll find the option Protect Skin Tones here at the bottom under Protect Areas. Here you see that if I increase the value of the slider, I'll decrease it again. This is with the complete photo style and slightly protected skin tones. Hair counts here as well, of course. After all, skin tones are colors, and everything that corresponds to a skin tone is protected from the photo style application here. In all, the result could look like this. Perhaps we could protect the lights a little bit to make everything look more natural if we want. Yeah, those are the essential options for manipulating photos. Settings are to your liking and you've decided to use them. You can either export this photo style as a cube file in the next step, so you can use it in other programs, or you can use the plus button and add it to your own database. I'll do that now. And the program, will use the file name of the image as the proposed name. We'll leave that as it is. Now I've saved these settings with this photo style in my database. If I now reset everything, or if I were to restart the program, I can access the photo style we've generated again at any time simply by clicking on it. Then I get these exact same settings again and can apply them to several images or videos in succession. Then let's maybe take a look at a couple more things here. I'll reset that and open the image we used earlier. Here you see the photo style we created at the outset again, and we have the two arrow displays here to the left and right of the image display. You can use them to simply load the next image in the folder where this LUT image is currently located. This is a dark image of fireworks. As you can see, the entire image becomes dark, the brightness is adjusted, and the color tone is adapted. Or if we It's the next one, switch to this bluish yellow sunset, which we could manipulate as well. For example, I'll add a little bit more contrast to increase the image's depth, and then save it using again. I would then have two different styles and could always choose between them. And I'd like to show you one last thing. I'm going to select the next photo style and reset the basic settings. Now I can see that the sunset, which features strong orange colors, has more or less removed the color from the car. Now, why is that the case? Take another look at the original image, where the car is blue or bluish. Yeah, and we can see that there's no blue at all in our LUT photo style image. Since we're using exclusive color mode here, only the colors that exist in the LUT image are displayed in the result image. If you want to prevent this, or if you want to retain all the colors of the original image, I'm going to press the right mouse key. You can switch the program to full color mode here, which retains all the colors of the original image. The colors from the LUT image are calculated into the image as well. And this way you have complete freedom to edit these LUT photos if you like. And in time, you can construct a very nice database that you can use to quickly apply looks to photos. I hope I was able to teach you something new. And now it's time to say goodbye, and we'll see you next time.